Number 1. Osprey Aether Backpacking Backpack. Removable top lid converts, Today lid day pack. Top to bottom suspended, mesh wrapped shoulders, back and hips for a fully integrated back panel fit. Front stretch mesh pocket, and zippered hip belt pockets, for quick storage. Large front J-zip provides quick access to main compartment. Internal hydration reservoir sleeve accommodates up to a 3L reservoir, sold separately. Number 2. Glacier Nomad 7 Solar Panel. The Nomad 7 will directly charge most USB and 12V devices, not tablets. Most handheld USB devices, including cell phone, smartphone, GPS, MP3 player, collect 7 watts of solar power from the sun. The Nomad 7 works best with the following Glacier products: Glacier Switch 8 and 10 recharger, Flip 10 and 20 recharger, Guide 10 Plus recharger, Venture 30 rock-out portable speakers, and lighthouse lanterns. Foldable, rugged design, and weather-resistant. Number 3. Nemo Aurora Backpacking Tent and Pawprint Accessory. New tent for new adventures. It's time to stop compromising with your camping tent. The new Aurora brings everything to the table with its vibrant design and unparalleled features. Lightweight materials make it a perfect backpacking tent, but its roomy interior screams car camping companion. 2 boisterous colors and a competitive price will have you ready for whatever life throws at you. Number 4. Therm Rest Backpacking and Camping Quilt. Lightweight, comfortable and warm top-rated camp quilt from Therm Rest is extremely packable for camping and backpacking adventures. 650 fill knit wax hydrophobic, down absorbs 90% less water and dries 3 times faster without using dangerous PFCs. Compact quilt fits easily into a pack. Box baffled construction uses mesh walls to maximize down loft and minimize cold spots. Full perimeter side baffles and snap closure keep out drafts. Number 5. Stone Glacier Sky Talus Backpack. The Sky Talus 6900 is a full feature pack designed to blend lightweight with increased access and organization. A 6,400 cubic main bag with 500 cubic lid, the Sky Talus has 4 external side pockets. The 2 large side pockets have full-length, heavy-duty number 10 zippers, with dual sliders for quick access to spotting scope and items needed quickly on the trail.